Hi, what I'm holding here is an eyewear. I kind of started taking it apart. What I'm trying to do is take this apart. What it did before is it displayed games in 3D, and it has a native resolution of 800 by 600. I'm not 100% sure, but back then this cost a lot of money. Now there's a better 3D goggles that you can buy now, and what I'm planning to do here is take it apart and see if I can make my own Google Glass. The way this works is has a VGA port and a USB port. The USB port powers up the video system, but and also it provides a timing that displays left and right one at a time. It doesn't display it simultaneously because obviously you only have one VGA input. I'm hoping that I can trace those VGA wires, and so I can use one of these as a Google Iwear or something like that. Should be fun project. I tested it before taking it apart, and what it has is special tools to take the side out, but as you can see, I already tried taking it apart, and it takes a Phillips screw. There's 4 Phillips screw on each side. Now, yeah, this works really well at first, but after a while, just hurts my eye. And 3D generally, even now, even with the nice Google glasses, the depth perception's not really there. So as far as gaming is concerned, I think 3D got a long ways to go. But as far as viewing videos, it works great. You know, the same thing. After a while, the first time you see 3D, it's great, but you get used to it. You know, you see your eyes kind of perceive the little errors that what you view normally. You know, so still, some people still prefer watching movies in 2D. That 3D doesn't really give you that much entertainment value. So let's see if we can pop this off. There you go. And after using this for a little while, it gets kind of warm. I think because powering it up on USB just does not have that enough juice to power this circuit up, causing it to heat up. So let's see if we can trace the VGA. Looks like this is the VGA wire coming from here, and that's just a small circuit. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it's pretty simple circuit. It looks like just a simple controller there. It's a small circuit. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to separate this out. I'm hoping it's two separate board here. See, there's the brightness controller. You can see the audio wire. See, what I'm hoping for is two separate board between left and right. Looks like these boards are just in one. So let me think about this as far as making a Google Iwear, because then I will have to figure out a way to make use of the two output video. But really, I only need one. Yeah, I can't really separate it. See, as you can see, the controller for this video is on the same board as the controller for that video. this heat resistant tape. I forgot what it's called, but because the circuit gets pretty hot after a while. There you go. It's out of the case. Nice lens. And another thing I'm hoping for is the back plane. I kind of don't want any back plane to where when I put it on close to my eye, I can still see the background, but yeah, it looks like there's a circuit that's in a way. Then I may have to completely take it apart just to see if there's an actual back plane or not, or if it's possible I can take that back plane out. Obviously there is, because it's gonna need light to lit the back plane up. Looks promising because it's ribbon cable. Yeah, so I'm gonna look into this some more and be really careful. So I probably will do a part 2 of this video and figure out, maybe I can figure something out what to do, because obviously I don't have a choice but to use 2 video output. Here's the tiny speakers, I think, or is that a microphone? Yeah, I'll post a second video to show you what I found out. I'm just gonna have to be really careful and plan this really well, maybe write some things down. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much for viewing. Bye.